Hey guys, welcome back to my small engine repair channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a pull cord on a chainsaw that does not retract properly. So what I've got here is a Stihl 192T chainsaw. The same principle will apply to any chainsaw, power washers, generators, and lawnmowers as well. So I'll show you what's happening here. After you pull it for a while, the cord goes in really slow. So as you can see, it's trying to go in, but it is going very, very slowly. And after a while, the cord just stays out. Now, this is a super quick repair. If you're doing it on a Stihl chainsaw, you'll need a T27 Torx. Today I'm using my Impact. Now I'll just pull the recoil right off. And sometimes when you have the issue that I showed you, the cord will come off the rope rotor. So if that's the case, just put it back on. You can tighten up the spring by turning it. Basically, all you need to fix this problem is any kind of lube. I'm just showing you some lubes that I have in the shop here, but you can use whatever you want. So today I'll use WD-40 because almost everybody has this in their shop or at home. Now what you want to do with the lube is to spray it behind the rope rotor, which is the white part that the rope goes around. The recoil spring is back here, and what's happened is that it's gotten a bit greasy or dirty and it's not retracting properly. Sometimes with the old grease, it'll make the spring kind of stick together. So all that this spring needs is a bit of lube. Just spray it in there. So you want to spray it between the rope rotor and the actual housing. And you can see part of the recoil spring here, so I'm going to spray right in there. And it's good if you keep the recoil in this position. It allows all the lube to get into the recoil spring. And you can be liberal with this. You can spray quite a bit. You can also spray a bit from the top here. It will work its way down. And already that spring is working great again. And I'll just spray a little bit more. So that's how you want a recoil to work, to retract on its own like this. Now here's a situation that may arise. I did this on purpose here because you could come across it. So if you've lubed the spring and the recoil rotor works good like this, but the rope is hanging out like that, what you need to do is grab the rope from the inside, turn one turn or two clockwise. This will tighten up the spring. And then your handle will come right down to the housing. So as I mentioned earlier in the video, sometimes the rope will come off the rotor and throw off the spring tightness for your rope. And now just reinstall your recoil. Tighten up all the bolts evenly. And now you can see when I pull the cord out, it just retracts the way it should. Now on some chainsaws, you might be able to lube the recoil spring without removing the whole assembly. Now sometimes on the can of lube, there's a small straw like that. You can reach into the small holes here and spray where the recoil spring is. If you do that, lean the saw over like that for a while. That may save you from removing the whole assembly here. And you can do that also on 4-cycle engines as well. But on most recoils like this BR420 here, you will definitely have to remove it because it's sealed. On some of the Stihl 4-mix equipment, you can reach into the small holes here and aim the straw toward the recoil spring, which is usually right at the back of the recoil here, and it's going to do the job without removing the assembly. So that's it for this video, guys. Please share your thoughts in the comment section. Make sure you're subscribed and that you're following me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and have a great day.